Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. We are here at Ikea today to give the kids something to do. We're going to go for a walk, have a snack, and I'm going to stock up on all kinds of things I can use for activities for them. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I put out videos all year long on doing Jewish things with your kids and just being a mama. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you inside. My kids are ready to explore and get out some energy, so we are going to walk through the whole store, which means starting in the furniture department. We are here on a weekday, so it is not too busy, and most of the people here have kids. So we can open drawers and sit on sofas and climb on beds and not get in anyone's way. One of my favorite tricks is when I first get here, I stop by the snack bar and I get a drink. I fill it up there, and then by the time I get to the cafeteria on the second floor, I can fill it up again. If you are at Ikea for the kiddos, don't miss out on the art supplies. They have all of these great kits. They're so beautiful. Look at how saturated these colors are for the watercolors. I like watercolor paints because they're not as messy as usual paint, and this one comes all as a set. I haven't tried it out, so check out my Instagram and I'll give you a review there. But what a great gift, too. More brightly colored paints. And check out these stampers. They're like marker stampers. Once again, I think this is an activity my kids could pretty much do on their own. I'm a big fan of those. All right, scissors, big paper, colorful paper. Don't miss out on these big rolls of paper. Awesome for the kids to draw on, color on. I've actually used it on top of my tablecloth at a buffet to write down what food is on the buffet. They do sell this holder for them or a whole easel. Today I'm just sticking with the paper. While we're in the art section, we might as well check out the toys too. Check out all of these great classic wooden toys for kids. It's so hard to find those toys that don't have batteries and things anymore. They have lots of toy kitchen accessories. I love how European this one is with a little tart shell in it. And then, of course, I'm going to grab my kids these aprons and chef's hats. One for each of them. After this, we're going to head to the bathroom to wash our hands. Time for lunch. I had salmon. This is the toddler plate. Chicken fingers and fries. Pasta just with cheese, no sauce. And we came on a Tuesday, so kids ate free. After lunch, it's time to shop for the little stuff. The picture frames here are one of my favorite things to use for crafting with the kids. The 4x6s are 99 cents. They come in all these great colors, and then they're flat. So just with regular glue, the kids can glue things on them. Gems and flowers and stickers and letters. They're great. Gotta test out the rugs. Nothing like breaking the rules a little bit. And then when we're done checking out, they have this paper for any breakable items, and my kids want to get in on the action of that, of course. I love trying new foods, so I always swing by the food section or the snack bar again. Today we checked out this gummy section that has all kinds of Swedish gummies like salted licorice and things like that. Well, guys, we spent 3 hours at Ikea today. The kids ran around, tried out all kinds of new stuff, touched a lot of things. We had a lot of fun on our adventure. They ate a good lunch. We got some treats. We're definitely coming home with a whole bunch of stuff. Thanks for joining us. I would love to hear in the comments below your favorite things about Ikea. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And of course, subscribe here. I put out videos all year round on being a mom and being a Jewish mom. And check out what else I've got going on.